Yes, sir. Same day. For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I'm making so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me on date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlock. Fast light, don't stop at the red light.
I told her, bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for the bitch.
Uh-huh.
Do them. I got them on my left.
Alright. I'll put them back on there when they come off.
Okay, hold it in. Hold it. Hold it.
What D right here go for? Inside of there? And D go up here?
Down the bottom.
Alright. About to take that whole front off. I got the headlights out. The headlights do have the LED, HID, whatever you want to call them. That's why my lights flickering, y'all. So I gotta make sure everything tight. Don't even look like an SRT8 no more. Bumper guard. I get one out your bag. Flathead screwdriver. Boom. What's that? One of the boats fell in there, ain't? Oh, you already got it out.
Yeah, if I get it, I'm gonna get it out of there. Here, this is camera right here. That's it. That boat right there. I know there was something. Gotta find it. See me? Let's see where my stuff at first. Power steering line right here. We're gonna let that stay on there. I can take that off some pliers.
What?
I got about somebody need something going on there. So I try to take it in and lands a little.
Yo, I was about to ask you about a bucket or something.
Yeah, we got to. See,
I got pretty far with it, man. I got pretty far with it. Got the whole front off. What's good, YouTube? I'm just not getting up early as crap. And it raining. I'm so glad we under the carports, but it's like it's raining like all right here in front of the car, man. Really ain't got no room to work, man. So I don't know if we doing anything, babe. It'll probably be good if we could find a 10 or something. Put it right here. But yeah, we ain't doing that right now, man. We definitely ain't doing that right now. I did not know it was gonna rain today. Let's have it rain. Yeah, man. That jumped 100% to like 12 o'clock. Can't do nothing. Really, it would have been dope if we pulled in the other way. Had the front of the car. Nah, Can't do it like that because you gotta pull the motor out. But yeah, man, this where we at with it. This where we at with it, man. Tyler might not be able to do that till about 12 o'clock, it said. It's 7:31 right now, so yeah, man. That's where we at with it, y'all. Oh, y'all can show y'all how to what's the name is now though. So last night I pretty much did all this. I got all my coil packs out. I got the harness up top, about ready, about done. It's a wire down here that goes straight down. I think it is right there. That wire right there gotta come off. I think everything else off. Honestly. I'm just not seeing that, so this wire gotta come off right here. Let me get that off real quick. And just like that, the wire is off. It's hanging down now. Right here. So now, for this harness to be done, like I said, is that one down here that I showed y'all on this side. They gotta come off from the alternator. Everything else pretty much in the back. I can get this one off. Gotta pull that out. Pull that out. Put that off. Let's see what else. That one gotta come off, but I'm gonna leave that right there so you can see where that one goes. In fact, I really can just go ahead and take it off. On that one. Man, look, I done burnt myself yesterday trying to load my car, man. Out here messing up, man. That's it, man. Really get them bolts from the bottom. You know, I don't see nothing else that can be holding that. Gotta get this belt off. I gotta unplug this fan. Take this hose off, let the coolant drain out. And then when we take that off, when we take this off, we just gonna let I thought the idea to let the radiator and everything stay right here. We're just gonna pull this down once we take this hose off, lean it down a little bit, so we can have enough room to jack the motor out of here. And another thing is this water pump on this motor, the water pump on this motor is like, it's cracked. So I'm glad the other motor came with a good water pump. So that's a good thing. Shit, man, that's where we at with it. But the rain trying to slow us down. We're gonna keep going.
Ain't nothing about it. Yeah, waiting for the base, my shoulders. Well, I know this ain't your brake system. That was easy. Yeah, that right now. Be nice if they wasn't there, but that shit go all the way around to your brake. Put all that shit and go to your wheels and all. That's your brake system.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do apply the cue. I gotta go ahead and get my. You gonna make me take out my TV box.
TV box.
Yeah, I said, well, I got that to lay on, so here. Living room.
Your TV good? Yeah. It show good to me. I don't think
Put some TV box.
Yeah.
You heard what I said?
You ain't taking it back.
Right here. The box.
Alright.
Okay, so it don't lift up. There you go. Yeah, it lift up. There you go. See that? Now, right there. Here we go. God damn, take it off. And look. It's going down. Make sure that ain't in the way of your hand. Cause that spring tension. There you go. That's all. And yeah. All this shit going to be off anyway, so here. Now your belt.
Huh?
They got 3 damn bolts in my mouth.
An alternator.
2 on the bottom, 1 on top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First time taking time
Ain't it?
and getting it right. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to mess nothing up. First time, we ain't hurt. We'll get this motor up today. Get it sit back in today. And then maybe tomorrow, hey, who knows? It might be live to die to somebody.
Ain't it?
Yeah.
That's what I was telling her today anyway. I was like, I said,
Look at here like this. I don't like that. I want to get me one. Gary got the back and learn backing that stuff out of there and put it in the tank when you do it. And then you put it right back in. I ain't never fooling to put it, but I need to do that. I need to learn that. Because that would have helped us out a lot. Just moving the whole thing. Yeah, that helped us a lot there. Love is something beautiful.
Boy, if you don't.
Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, all that shit 16. So we know we got goddamn you a 16 most on your car. Yeah.
that Hornet's already back.
One on one side.
One side, got one more. Then we got the bolts at the bottom.
Yeah.
The motor mount bolts, man, them things easy to get to. They right there.
Yeah, that, but the under the car. The thing about it too is that the only thing to it is if we could move this fan and all that, it'd have been great. But we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do it this way. So we want to pull it like free on and stuff.
Yeah.
And then on the back, we're trying to get around. That'll hold up a little bit, but we'll make it. It'll work. We'll make it work out. Yeah. How many hours you got in the thing there?
Probably about 3.
Yeah, I got it all moved down.
The crazy thing is, it don't even look like no car no more.
Came from the junkyard.
Got all this stuff.
Damn, got me sweating on the roof.
Yeah, me too.
I know we need. I don't know if I got to see something back. Ratchet wrench.
What's good, gang? You feel me? I'm back again. This another day. Well, it's actually the same day of the clip when it was raining. And I got sunny out here now. Did a little work. I'm about to show y'all what we done did so far. So we done dropped the whole radiator and the fan out the way. Got all these hoses loose. Got all the harnesses done out the way. This for the fuel line and stuff. And the coil packs. You know what I'm saying? That's that side harness right here. Got this side harness out the way, which is right here. But I tell you, man, seems like it's gonna be pretty good. I feel like once we get this out, it'd be easy going back in because we actually know where everything go. Got all the hoses loose. Now we just gotta go at the bottom and hook everything from the bottom for the motor mounts, and this motor should come out of here. Feel me? It junk don't even look like a car, like I was saying, for real. Ooh wee. Yeah, man. Something at the bottom. I hope y'all can see this. But yeah, I gotta get all these bolts out. When I get these transmission bolts loose from the motor bolts, there's a plate right here you gotta get. Get that. Get all them bolts that's on that flywheel. And let's see if I can turn the phone, man. Alright. See the motor mount bolts right there. Once you get all this stuff out, it should be good.